Yung Sabina Shoal or Escoda Shoal ay isang underwater feature. It's submerged. Pag high tide o low tide, still submerged. No? That's about 80 kilometers, 80 nautical miles rather from Palawan, and about 100 nautical miles to Reed Bank. Ito yung one of the two shoals or reefs na malapit sa Reed Bank. Kaya ito yung tinatarget ng China, Sabina Shoal or Escoda Shoal, at saka yung Rosal Reef or tinatawag nila Iroquois Reef. No? So, because malapit ito sa Reed Bank, pag nagtayo ka ng outpost dito, you create an artificial island, pwede mo bantayan yung Reed Bank. Kasi wala nang halos mas malapit pa dito, no? Actually, yung Rosal Reef, mas malapit yon sa Reed Bank, about 55 nautical miles, no? Ito, 100 nautical miles. Pero wala nang ibang mas malapit pa na pwede pagtayuan ng isla. Ito yung dalawa na ang most ideal. So pag tinayuan ito ng isla ng China, pwede tayong iharas from here pag we try to get the gas sa Reed Bank.